I guess I got a new thing that we're going to be trying to look at, and that is a weed eater. I'm not going to do anything today, I don't think. I want to get the garage cleaned up a little bit. But, yeah, so this thing fucking sucks. I finally got it to actually start and run a little bit. But, here, I'll put you over here. I'll show you what it does. Yeah, it just fucking dies. But, oh shit, I ran through that much fuel already? I don't even know if you can see. Hopefully you can see. Oh yeah, this thing is, who knows the fuck how old it is, but it is old, and it hadn't been used in like 2 or 3 years, and now it doesn't like to work. So it might need just a simple carb cleaning, a spark plug replacement, who the fuck knows. I'll figure it out. Alright, so after a little bit of research, I figured out that it might be the carburetor that's bad. And all I have to do is really clean it, but, you know, I ain't doing that shit. I mean, I could, but it'd make more of an interesting video if I didn't. So let's figure this out. Oh, you're fucking kidding me. I need Torx bits? Son of a bitch. Yeah, that was definitely fucking good for it. Let's see. Does it line up like it's supposed to? I think so. Alright, so you come with new fuel lines too. Don't really need fucking 10 foot of fucking fuel line. Oh yeah, also flash. I'm so sorry I'm not talking very much in this one. I'm just kind of trying to go quick-ish. Because, I got other shit I gotta do today. Is this line supposed to go in there? That's too loose. Okay, that's way too loose. Son of a fucking... These motherfucking dogs. Fucking garage full of shit. And maybe it'll be easier to go. I don't remember filling this fucking thing back up. Oh. Shit, why did I fill it back up? Good, more or less. I think I'm just gonna pause this and then we'll come back after I'm done. Okay, those lines are all finally in. Finally. Man. So now, this little gasket guy's gotta go on the back of this, that. And this little guy's gotta go onto you like that. And onto you like that. Get you up in there. And fuck you go. This little gasket guy. There like that. Get you on. drop everything. Get that started a little bit. In there a little bit, give you a little more slack. And we'll see if this works.
It's fucking bright outside.
It's also hot outside.
Yeah.
What's up?
Huh?
Said, what's up?
I just kind of file tell them or letting them know I'm ready whenever you are.
Okay. I mean, this thing's only taking me fucking 20 minutes, surprisingly.
Huh?
So this thing's only taking me like 20 minutes, surprisingly.
Oh, that's cool.
Now we're just gonna hope that anything works correctly. And either it's gonna blow up or it won't. Yay.
Ow. It's ripping off my fucking skin. This fucking, literally, look at this shit. Look at this shit. You can see my freaking skin that's ripping off.
Now watch the fuck out, just in case this thing does explode.
I'm gonna hide in the corner.
That's probably your best idea. Cause I don't fucking know. Oh, we got fuel in the bubble, so that must be good, right?
Hope so.
Shit.
My brain looks not good. I finally started feeling.
It was good. Well, I put the throttle cable in the wrong spot, so that's not good. Ugh. Man, I had that feeling too. I put the throttle cable in the wrong spot, and now I gotta take it back apart again.
Why is it that it's only the Tuesdays that we're the most productive? Well, I know why. It's because the Tuesdays for you, because you work all the time. But
Yeah, because I've been going in on fucking Sundays, so I don't get my fucking Sundays to do shit.
yeah, but for me at least, why like Tuesdays always are the nicest days and the most productive days. Ew, did you just lick me?
The cat just fucking lick you?
Yeah.
That chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, he's stupid. Oh, I guess I had to take it apart anyway. The fucking gasket didn't go where it
Oh
was
my
supposed
god, I made chocolate, start like going like at me when I was petting him, and I couldn't tell if it was because he enjoyed the pets or if it's because he hated them.
to. Probably a little bit of both.
Probably. Huh, chocolate also enjoys the slaps.
Enjoys the what?
And the slaps, like how Stella likes them. But I'm gonna go see if I can start digging up the ground.
Okay. Fixed it. Oh, I'm back for a little quick PSA. So be careful what you buy, cause these things, it's just leaking all. Focus. It's just leaking all up in there. Like I need to go get some fucking zip ties, cause apparently they're not big enough, or I got the fucking wrong ones on. I think it just might be this one. Where you can see all the gas everywhere. I just went out to use it. Notice that. And I don't know how it was supposed to run originally. But I think it's running better. Or too good. I don't fucking know. But I gotta figure out how to adjust the idle on this. I think I just gotta adjust the jets on this side. And then it should be fine. But that'll be a future video.